Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. New YouTube subscriber analytics. YouTube has announced some new analytics updates, including insight into why subscribers cancel the channel subscription, which could assist in your future planning. In addition, YouTube provides more detailed insight into how new and returning viewers interact with your content in isolation, which is another useful driver for your planning. First, on new and returning viewers, YouTube has added a new additional feature to Studio Analytics that will provide separate measures for each viewer cohort, allowing you to better identify what new viewers are watching. As explained by YouTube, before the launch of this new feature, creators could only see how many new or returning viewers they had, or how many views they got from all viewers. But now, creators have the ability to see how different audience segments watch their content. This means that creators can now see how many views they got from new viewers and compare it to number of views from returning viewers, which may be useful in content planning as you seek to grow your audience. You can better plan depending on what these visitors are interested in if you know how many new viewers are coming to each of your clips. YouTube has also added a new and returning viewers tab, which will allow creators to monitor the performance of their content based on audience segments. The expanded data sorting options will provide more information as to what is driving views in each segment, giving you more planning context and perhaps serving a major guide in your process. YouTube's analytics cards are also being expanded, with new data cards providing insight into channel memberships. As you can see, the new cards provide more details on total number counts, as well as which videos are driving more subscriptions. That's another fine-tuned data point for understanding audience behavior, allowing you to determine or analyze what it is about each clip that has more or less resonance for paying members. YouTube is also introducing a new card that will explain why members choose to cancel their memberships. When a member cancels their membership, they will now be asked to provide a reason for their cancellation through an optional survey. This data will be collected and displayed in a separate card on the membership chip. By understanding the reasons why members cancel their memberships, creators can gain valuable insights into potential improvements or changes to their content or membership offerings. It could be another useful guide for increasing your channel's appeal among your most valuable audience. These are essential, granular data updates that could help you in your YouTube content planning. And while they may not provide much insight for some channels, if you continue to grow and expand your YouTube presence, understanding these details could play a key role in enhancing your content success. YouTube has been really updating things after the new CEO took over. One key priority for Mohan will be continuing to support YouTube creators by providing them with more ways to make money, helping them grow their communities and offering new features such as automatic and machine-translated captions to broaden accessibility and the ability for viewers to remix clips of gaming content into Shorts platform, etc. So we are expecting lots of new stuff here. YouTube has indeed opened up to more controversial topics in the past, allowing creators to express their opinions and ideas more freely. This has made YouTube a more open and creator-oriented place, where it creates more security for creators. However, it's important to note that YouTube also has content guidelines in place to ensure that the platform remains safe and suitable for all users. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Tuberank Jeet. Rank your videos #1 with AI technology. Get free organic YouTube traffic with #1 rankings that stick forever. Grab the YouTube success secret of multiple top channels and 20,000 plus happy users. Get perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags. Tells you which keywords are hard to rank and which are easy. Get the exact optimizations that you need to rank #1. Keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags. Optimize any video in minutes, not hours. Upload your videos direct from Tuberank Jeet. Tuberank Jeet. Stop being in the background. Get your #1 rankings and traffic with Tuberank Jeet. Even before you optimize, it tells you what is the potential to rank for any keyword, analyzes existing videos ranking for your niche or keyword, and finds out what you need to beat them. Proven algorithm gives you the ranking recipe, telling you exactly what you need to do to rank. Everything right at your fingertips to make optimization a 2-minute process. Save your time. Finds you 3 levels of keywords: long tail for easy ranking, medium value for traffic with minimal effort, and high value for top quality traffic. Viewer sentiment analysis tells you what exactly people feel about your niche, or keyword telling you where the market is headed. Grab stats and tags from any video you want. Appear on its related videos bar. and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Tuberank Jeet now. Just go to tubeраnkjeet.com. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.